welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a review of a specific product. Let's talk about, actually I have 3 products here, so I'm just gonna do 3 videos like together but not in the same video. Basically I'm just gonna do 3 videos lah. Okay, let me see which one do I want to review first. Let's talk about the stuff, the one thing that I've been using for so long. I've been using this for quite a while now, probably at least I would say 3 months already if I'm not mistaken, so I need to have like more information of this first before I move on. Yeah, let's try to check the Watsons one because I'm not sure if Guardian has it or not. Okay, so it looks like this. The box, I threw away the box already, so I'm sorry about that because it's been 3 months. I never thought I'll review this. I never thought I'm gonna like this so much that I thought I'm gonna review this. So that's why I threw away the box at the beginning stage when I started using this. According to Watsons online, it's actually 78 ringgit and 90 cents. I'm not quite sure exactly what's the price now, but as usual, I'll always link everything in my blog post, which will be linked in the description box below. Okay, so this is the Hada Labo Premium Hydrating Moisturizer Cream. It has 50 grams in it. The one that I have has a lot of Chinese word to it. To be honest, my Mandarin all I give back to my teacher already from my primary school, so I can't really read much of this. Actually no, I can't really read at all. They're all like the traditional Chinese words, so yeah, I'm not even gonna attempt. So let me start with the whole story first. The reason why I started using this is because I really needed a new moisturizer. I was using I guess I was using the, what was the word? Oh my god. Oh, okay. I was using the Waso moisturizer for a while and I feel that it's not good enough for my skin. Although it's a really nice moisturizer, but I feel that my skin doesn't really enjoy it. I don't know why. I know that the texture is really nice, the feeling is really good. It feels awesome actually, but somehow I think after a while, my skin just doesn't seem to agree with it anymore or doesn't seem to enjoy it as much. It doesn't break me out or anything, but it just doesn't enjoy it. So I needed a new moisturizer, so I decided to try this out. This one the PR actually sent to me. There's no obligation, they're not paying me to talk about this, so I just thought that okay lah, I'm just gonna open it up and try it. No harm trying, right? If I don't like it, I can always just use it for my body, like the body lotion or something like that. So that's what happens to all of the moisturizers that I don't finish, or moisturizers that I use halfway. I absolutely love it, but I don't finish and then I just use it as body lotion, or even just moisturizer that I don't like. I would just ended up using it as like a body moisturizer. That's what I thought lah. I thought I would just end up using this as like a body moisturizer, but no! Ever since the first day when I first tried it on, oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so good for dry skin. It's not, I wouldn't recommend this for oily skin type. I wouldn't recommend this for people who have like more sensitive skin. This is actually more of like a, I don't know, they call it premium line here, so I would assume it's for people who are a little bit more with a slightly more mature skin or skin that are going towards maturity. Or just super dry skin, to be honest. Personally, I would really recommend this for people who has really dry skin. Let me read what's inside on my phone. It has 5 types of hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate skin from the surface to the inner skin layers for significantly soft, smooth and supple skin. The rich velvety cream texture gently wraps the skin with moisture to provide deep and intense hydration all day long. This one, the ingredient starts with water. As usual with a lot of Hada Labo products, usually their first ingredient is water, or basically is aqua. They put it as aqua, or here they put it as water. It's pretty much the same thing. Oh no, this has alcohol in it. So I don't think some of you who is a little bit more alcohol sensitive, and this one has like, I don't know, mineral oils. Now looking at it, it's funnily now looking at the ingredients, it doesn't seem like it's a really good product ingredients wise, but trying it out on my skin, damn, I actually quite like this. It's funny because it is like a cream gel texture. Generally, I don't like gel products, but this one seems fine to me. I believe they have a cap on top. I threw it out because I feel like it's very joteng lah. It's very mafan. It's an extra step for me to, you know, put on my moisturizer. It's hard enough for you to put on skincare during the night when you're very tired. So we don't want that extra step. to basically take out the cap. It feels thick, but not too thick to the point that you can't stand it, or it's not crazily heavily thick where you put on you will feel like, oh my god, it's so like creamy and it's so like moisturizing on my skin. It's moisturizing but not to the extreme point. Just like most Hada Labo products, it doesn't really have much scent to it. When I apply it on my skin, my gosh, it really covers up my skin really well. It really moisturizes my skin really well. It's quite lightweight, to be honest. So when you touch it, it's not oily. It just feels like it's moisturizing and it's not sticky in any way. You know, sometimes Hada Labo products can be quite sticky, like how they advertise the whole bouncy kind of thing. No, this one doesn't do that. And for those who like to sleep in aircon room, this one is gonna help to lock the moisture in really well. If you ask me to recommend a drugstore moisturizing cream for dry skin people, this one to go. This is the one that I would highly recommend. I absolutely love it. Have been using it for I believe 3 months or more now, and absolutely love it. I am halfway gone. I'm gonna miss this so much. I believe that if I really am looking for more creams, because I do have a lot of other moisturizing cream. I have a new set of skincare that came about. It's like an organic New Zealand skincare. So I'm gonna try that out first. But if I'm desperate and I'm looking for one that is that's gonna help my skin, I will buy this again. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video. I don't know if this is a short video or not, but anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned something from this. I hope this video helps, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you don't miss any videos. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!